better. Hey beauties, it's Carol. Today before I go out, I have my sunscreen on, my hat. I'm getting ready to go visit my mama. And I just wanted to add something to my last video that I made about Grandma's secret spot remover. I didn't tell you her story, and I forgot to read to you what stains comes out with this. So let me read this to you. It says, just a drop is all it takes to remove. Oil, grease, paint, makeup, grass, clay, inks, blood, baby formula, tar, spaghetti sauce, coffee, rust, betadine, turmeric, fabric blend, pet stains, and most any kind of stain. It works. It's an environmentally responsible company. No chlorine, no bleach, no animal testing. Safe for most fabrics. And this is the story that comes on the little container. And it was her grandson that reformulated this for us. Grandma's story. A while back, Grandma made her first batch of spot remover to clean Grandpa's work-stained clothes. Soon, word got out around town about how well it cleaned, and everyone from moms to Larry, the local mechanic, wanted some. Recently, while looking through an old trunk in Grandma's garage, I came across her secret spot remover recipe. I made up a batch, and Grandma has agreed to let me share some with you. So that is the story. Very cute, right? I thought so. So let me know if you get it. Let me know if you use it and how it works, okay? This is the lip combo I have on today. I have on the NYX Liquid Suede in Respect the Pink. That's the name of it. And because it's just too bright alone, I have to put an outer rim. And the outer rim is Lover number 15 by Maybelline Matte Inks. And once I put the rim on, the outline, then I blot it together so it blurs the lines so it doesn't look too harsh. So those are the two colors I used. Oh, and then I used the blue by ESTEE Edit, the blue gloss to make your teeth whiter, and it's a perfect combination. It really is. Also, I have on my hat today one of these things. This is a hat band that you put on the inside rim of the hats. You peel it off and it sticks to the inside rim, and your makeup doesn't get all over your hats. Because if you look at my hats, there's so much makeup. I have to scrub it, and then I just say, forget it. It's a lost cause because I put makeup on my forehead, and then when I put a hat on, it comes off on the hat. But now I could put these things, and I'll put a link down below for these. I mean, you get 50 for, I don't know, a few dollars. And I want to mention a viewer, subscriber, Carol Simmons. Hi, Carol. She commented 2 videos ago about the Cinema Secrets Foundation, how she loves it, and how she saw Wayne Goss showing it, and he loves it on his channel. So, yay. Thanks for the comment, Carol. And what else? Oh, yeah. Today, because I have on cool makeup, I had to switch palettes. So, I am wearing Matte Moskowitz, which is right there on the eyes underneath and on the outside, and then black just as a liner. And then I did put this color in my crease, and that's it. This is a great palette, and you want to know why? You want to know why it's one of the best palettes? Why Meet Matte and Meet Nude and all those palettes like this, they don't have fallout. You don't have to go like that with your brush. You put this, right? It doesn't fall out. It doesn't fall out. It doesn't fall out on your eyes. It doesn't fall out on your cheeks. It doesn't fall out on the palette. It's it's great. It's a great palette. I don't know if they make them anymore, actually, but I still find them online. Kohl's has them, and then I find them on eBay. When I did find them a while back, I bought several, so I always have a backup. But beautiful colors. Beautiful colors. And this is warm, and this is kind of warm. This is neutral, and this is kind of cool, and cool, cool, and cool. The bomb is the bomb. Oops, one more thing before I go. A few of you asked me about my bathroom faucet aerator when I was showing you how I was cleaning the stain off my shorts. It is really the cutest faucet aerator, and it could be used in the kitchen or the bathroom. I will put links down below for it. And it also comes in a shorter version if you have a low faucet. So it's really cheap. It's between $9 and $13, and it really helps clean your sink because you could swivel it all around. So I just wanted to mention that, and in case you're interested in it, I've listed it below. Okay, so I'm ready to go out in the sun and have a fun day with my mama and my daughter and my sister. I hope you have a good day too. I'll see you in my next video. Thanks so much for coming by, and remember, I love you. Mwah. Oh, my scissor matches, but my nails don't. I have to fix that. I have to put another coat on of something that match.